Hey, this is C-3 here with the 2 kills today. I got a bird that just landed in front of me, so I just shot it. And then I have a gray squirrel, a female, 2.5 pounds. And the one headshot to the head, right above the eye right there. He was dead. I was using this gun. Crossman air rifle, a G1 Extreme, a center point scope, a 4x32. I added a strap so I can carry it. I used a Crossman, the high velocity pellet, one shot in the head to the squirrel that was dead. And that's pretty good for a air rifle, so I would recommend Crossman. Thank you.